car from Land Rover's top-tier Range Rover family should work just fine if you're searching for one that combines off-road ability, opulent interiors, and the status of an upper-crust image. However, the 2023 Range Rover Sport is a close substitute if your budget is a little less forgiving. The Sport's silhouette is comparable to that of the more costly Range Rover despite its slower size, but with more attitude. You have a good selection of options thanks to a trio of powertrains that includes a hybrid inline 6, a plug-in hybrid inline 6, and a mega-power twin-turbo V8. The luxurious inside is equipped with the newest entertainment system from Land Rover, the Pivi Pro, as well as driver assistance capabilities for both on- and off-road driving. What has changed for 2023? The midsize Range Rover Sport has undergone a complete overhaul, much like the larger Range Rover, with new aesthetics, a modernized interior, and cutting-edge technology. As a 2024 model, an all-electric Range Rover Sport will go on sale the following year. The trim to choose, in our opinion, is the stronger SAE Dynamic. It will surely benefit from having more horsepower both in town and on the highway, and it delivers a long list of luxury and convenience amenities without setting you back six figures. Performance, engine, transmission, and other. The base engine is a 48-volt hybrid turbocharged 3.0-liter inline 6 that generates 395 horsepower in the P400 SAE Dynamic and 355 horsepower in the P360 SAE. Exclusive to the luxurious autobiography grade, the plug-in hybrid P440e system combines an electric motor and the inline 6 to provide 434 horsepower. The P530 First Edition, which only has a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine that generates a strong 523 horsepower, has the best piece of meat. The V8 is expected to propel the Range Rover Sport to 60 miles per hour in under 4.3 seconds. According to Land Rover, all models come equipped with an 8-speed automatic transmission, all-wheel drive as standard, and an air suspension that can be adjusted. Range Rover Additionally, Sport is available with the Stormer Handling Pack, an add-on performance driving setup that includes torque vectoring and rear-wheel steering. Our test vehicle's V8 engine's throttle response was excessively jumpy and challenging to control smoothly during our first test drive. The Range Rover Sport's comfort and athleticism overall impressed us, and we also noticed that its rear-wheel steering system made navigating in confined situations easier than in other SUVs of a comparable size. Battery life, charging, and range until the EV variant goes on sale early the following year. The plug-in hybrid model of the Range Rover Sport will be the only one with an all-electric driving range. With its 31.8 kWh battery pack, the plug-in, according to Land Rover, has a 48-mile electric driving range. Fuel efficiency and actual MPG. Land Rover forecasts that the P360 and P400 models will achieve 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the motorway, while the V8-powered P530 will achieve 15 miles per gallon in the city and 20 miles per gallon on the highway. When we have a chance, we'll test the Range Rover Sport's fuel efficiency on our 75 miles per hour highway test route and report back here. Visit the EPA website to learn more about the fuel efficiency of the Range Rover Sport. Connectivity and information. With a big 13.1-inch curved touchscreen handling infotainment duties and a 13.7-inch screen parked in front of the driver to show the instruments, the Range Rover Sport's new dashboard gives plenty of digital space. The Pivi Pro interface is Land Rover's best attempt at in-car infotainment to date, but it is not without its oddities, as we've discovered using it in other models like the Defender and the Discovery. Although it appears to be hovering above the leather dashboard of the Range Rover Sport, that displays are sharp and clear. All Range Rover Sports include Amazon's Alexa, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility is standard. On a shelf directly underneath, a wireless smartphone charging pad is ingeniously placed.